Hi, I'm Joe Russ, co-owner of AquaGuard Foundation Solutions. Do you care about the air that you and your family breathe in your home? Of course you do. That means that you need to learn a little bit about the stack effect. The stack effect creates an airflow in your home from the bottom to the top. As warm air rises, it tends to leak out the upper levels of the home, and new air must enter the home to replace the air that's lost. The fact is that half of the air in a typically well-insulated home escapes the home through the roof rafters each hour. This creates a suction effect on the lower levels of the home to replace that air. As a result, building scientists say that up to 50% of the air that you breathe upstairs comes from the crawl space or basement downstairs. So whatever's in the crawl space or basement is up in your home. It affects you and your family. High humidity downstairs, you're going to have higher humidity upstairs. Mold downstairs, likely you're going to have mold spores upstairs. Odors downstairs, you get the picture. You need to care about the air in your crawl space or basement, even if you don't go down there. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We'd be happy to stop out and take a look. That's it for now. Until next time, have a great day from all of us at AquaGuard Foundation Solutions.